Welcome to the ArcTech AI Institute's Generative AI Theory tutorial series. I am Professor Jervesh. A classic example is an image classifier determining if a picture contains a cat or a dog. It doesn't generate the image. In contrast, generative AI models learn the underlying data distribution to create entirely new, realistic instances. Their input is often a random noise vector or a point in a latent space, which the model transforms into meaningful data. The fundamental difference lies in their objective. Discriminative models classify, generative models create. Discriminative models learn boundaries in data, separating classes. Generative models learn the underlying data distribution itself. Generative models often capture more comprehensive information about the data, as they must reconstruct it, making them generally more complex. Here's a concise summary of the fundamental differences between these two powerful AI paradigms. It's important to note that these are not mutually exclusive. Hybrid models combine their strengths, and generative models can be used for discriminative tasks. Generative AI is transformative because it enables automated content creation, accelerating innovation in countless domains. It can generate vast amounts of synthetic data, crucial for privacy preservation, data augmentation, and training robust models. Today, we lay the groundwork, defining generative AI, contrasting it with discriminative AI, exploring applications, and tracing its brief history. Generative AI allows for hyper-personalization, from tailored marketing content to unique product designs at an unprecedented scale. Beyond content, generative AI explores solution spaces for complex problems like drug discovery or material science by designing novel structures. Generative AI has revolutionized art, enabling AI-generated paintings, music compositions, and even novel architectural designs. In pharmaceuticals, it accelerates drug discovery by designing potential molecules with desired properties, drastically reducing R&D time. For gaming, it creates realistic landscapes, characters, and entire virtual worlds, enhancing immersion and reducing development costs. Healthcare benefits from synthetic patient data for research and training, preserving privacy while enabling robust model development. From writing articles and marketing copy to summarizing documents, generative AI automates diverse content creation tasks. It assists industrial designers by rapidly generating multiple design variations for products, optimizing for specific criteria. Generative concepts existed long before deep learning, with early statistical models like hidden Markov models and Gaussian mixture models. The field exploded with generative adversarial networks, or GANs, in 2014. These models trained two networks in a competitive game. At its essence, generative AI refers to models capable of creating new data instances that resemble the training data, but are not direct copies. Variational autoencoders, or VAEs, also gained prominence, offering a probabilistic approach to latent space learning. Flow-based models provided exact likelihood estimation and reversible transformations, enabling high-quality sampling. More recently, diffusion models have achieved state-of-the-art results, incrementally adding noise to data and then learning to reverse the process. Large language models, powered by the transformer architecture, demonstrate remarkable generative capabilities for text, code, and more. In summary, generative AI empowers machines to create, fundamentally changing how we interact with and produce digital content. Its impact will only grow, demanding a deep understanding of its principles, which we will continue exploring in this series. Thank you for joining this ArcTech AI Institute tutorial. Stay tuned for deeper dives into specific generative AI architectures. Unlike models that merely reproduce, generative systems learn the underlying statistical distribution of data, enabling them to produce truly novel outputs. The primary purpose is synthesis, generating images, text, audio, or even complex molecular structures that never existed before. Think of generative AI as the creative or inventive branch of artificial intelligence, as opposed to the analytical or predictive. Understanding generative AI requires contrasting it with its counterpart, discriminative AI. This is a fundamental distinction. Discriminative AI focuses on distinguishing between different categories or predicting a specific outcome from given input data. Correct.